Beautiful people at PriceAction, it's a pleasure to finally be able to upload decent content in a decent quality. These are the profiles I really want you to use. How to upload them on your MetaTrader is very simple, and I will show you. As you see, these are already in. However, we need to go to File, Open Data Folder. Once the folder opens up, you can minimize the application, and you need to simply click on MQL5, Profiles, Charts. As you can see, my profile are already in, but it's as simple as clicking and dragging them inside the folder. In this case, as soon as they are in, you can close your MetaTrader. You can reopen it again. And once the MetaTrader reopens, you can simply toggle and choose the profile you have uploaded. They're gonna be all here under profile. So we got the silver and second setup, and we got the US dollar setup. This week, guys, has been amazing. The setup has been very valid. I will start with the oil. I don't know if you remember that. It's a video uploaded on Wednesday. And as you see, the price came right at the time, right at the price I forecasted the day before. All the key level of resistance and support have been respected. So the oil, has been a great trade all week through. This is when the data send the price of the oil up, but the next day it sold off again. And I said at the beginning of the week, oil is clearly oversold, so it will gradually go down through the week. On gold, we also had a great run. The DXY kept above 112, which means that from the start of the week, we saw the price rolling down, and these became an important resistance, which was clearly broken at the time of CPI, a near retest and a sell on Friday, which I did scalp beautifully. So I've been selling, closing, selling, closing, selling, closing. So a 250 pips run became for me a 350 pips run. Why we didn't trade the euro pair, guys? There is a reason why. You can see that the price closes on Friday at the same level it opened on Sunday night. So we didn't go anywhere with this pair. We've had a break of a test of the resistance, but we wanted a breakout and we wanted to sell our resistance. You can see that on the euro dollar. We wanted a breakout of this line, and these would have been a great sell, pushing the price down to the 95, 300, 94, 130. So the euro pair this week didn't go anywhere. Same we can see with the New Zealand dollar. Same we can see with the Australian dollar. If we get a test of our powerful entries, then we can expect a good run. The US dollar CAD also missed entry, literally for 10, 20 pips, both on Monday and Thursday, and it nearly jumped to target 1 and 2. So the euro pair, the US dollar pair this week didn't go anywhere at all. And look at the support I trade for the US dollar, Swiss franc, how strong. This is the strength of the DXY. We know that the euro dollar and US dollar Swiss franc are very related to the DXY. They work opposite, so if this goes up, this goes down. But we've had a strong euro in the overall, which didn't allow a lot of the entries we are seeing here. On the other setup, guys, we did have very good entry, especially on the EuroCAD on Monday. On Monday, we did get this entry. It was great. As you see, we got the shoulder, head, shoulder, and up. You will always get this kind of reversal to confuse you, to make you close the position. But this is why, once you get a break, book your pips, re-enter, check the pattern, and you will see you can get good scalp. You can get this one, you can get this one, you can get this one. Euro New Zealand didn't get entry for a matter or a few pips here on Wednesday, and it did run up as we saw the gold selling off for CPI, and as we go the gold selling off again, nearly going to target. The CHF pairs have been choppy, but again, look, when there is volume, when there is price action on the market, that's when we see the movement we want to see. They have been also very valid entry, which didn't give any pain. I didn't close any big profits, but I didn't close any losses on them. Look how AUD CHF on Friday missed entry for a few pips. This is 15 pips, maybe less than 15 pips, and he went straight to target 1 and nearly at target 2. This is to show you guys how valid is our setup. On the overall, I forecasted 16 charts. None of them went on the other side. So the main trend has been respected. The reason why we didn't enter the US dollar setup, as you see, is been just consolidating. Is not ready to break out and to offer entries at the moment. Possibly it will be next week, but the job is been the same for all pairs all week, as Monday start of the market, Friday close of the market, the price didn't move a lot. The price should have broke out, offer entry, and we would have enjoyed the rally. Unfortunately, it didn't happen, but we did get a good run on gold, on oil, EuroCAD, the New Zealand CHF, and all the other pairs also have been very valid. I didn't get hurt on any of the entry I've given, and the scalp of gold, the point, the key level have been all respected, and I hope, guys, you've made good money. If you have any question, please ask me, but I would like all of you to use these powerful profiles that I do offer every week, so they should always be on your MetaTrader. You can personalize them, so you can go to your chart, you can literally right click on it, and at the bottom you go properties, you can change the color, the scheme, you can make them every color you want. This is the one I personally favorite. You can even change the color of the trend line. Just right click, object list, trend line, and from red, if you prefer it green, you can have it green. Then it's up to you to personalize it according to your style, to your need, and the way you want them to see. But as you can see, everything is quite straightforward and easy. If you don't use MetaTrader 5, I strongly suggest you to use it, because at this stage is the best platform, on my advice, you can use for your trading. With this, guys, I wish you a beautiful weekend. I will start working on the forecast, and I will see you soon.